Hey everybody, I want to show you some of the 3D prints that my 7th graders have been building. Take a look at Avery's Coliseum right here. This is a fantastic print that Avery made. And the way we build these things is we use a website called TinkerCAD, and then we print them on one of our we have 6 Dremel 3D printers like this one. And I want to thank the Valley Alliance for Education and their donors. They provided us with a grant for 4 of our 6 printers, and we were able to print all of these things that you see here thanks to that grant. So thank you guys. This one, take a look at this piece right here. This is Yankee Stadium, and Nick made this one, and it's really detailed. You can see the bleachers, you can see the diamond that's in there. It's just super, super cool. Let's take a look at, let's do Carter's log cabin here. This is neat because you can't find this log cabin anywhere in reality, but you can find it in a video game. Carter got this log cabin, he got some screenshots from his video game, and he was able to recreate this log cabin based on that, which I thought was a great solution to the assignment, because the assignment is you need to create something with architecture that's 3D printed, and it can be a real place or a virtual place. And an example of a real place would be this one right here. This is Roman's house. This is a model of the house that he actually lives in. And he got photos of the front and sides and back of his house so that he could make this very realistic 3D print right here. Very nice. This one, we got this from Google Earth. This is a real church, I think it was in Ireland, that Dalton found, and he got 360-degree views of this church, and so he was able to recreate it and then make this print. That is great. This one is Jesse's house, and it's got tons of windows. He did a great job building in all those windows. And one of the things I especially like is we talk about different architecture styles on this assignment, and this has a shed roof on part of his house. So I was able to teach the students about different types of roofs. Here's one. This one is Hunter's family's dairy barn. So this is a real place. And you can see you got the silos, a couple other examples of shed roofs here, but then also a gable-ended roof, so we can talk about that. This is a great barn. I love this dairy barn. And I don't want to forget this one. This one is Caleb's log cabin, and he found pictures of this one on the internet. And then, wow, the porch is really nice, very delicate, so you have to be careful with it. And some of these pieces are glued together so that it all fits together and so that it will build properly. But that one's great. Wow, look at this castle up here. This is Wilson's castle. I mean, it's not really his, but you know, it's a castle in Germany, and he made it. He recreated it. Look at all those windows. Look at the towers. Look at the detail on that. That is a fantastic print. This one, you know, for the architecture assignment, it has to be a structure that you can live in, but you can actually live in this RV, you know, and I thought that was a really creative solution to the assignment that Roman came up with. He said, "Can I do an RV? Because you can live in it." And I said, "Well, yeah, go for it. That's a cool idea." So I like that creative solution to the assignment. This one is Livia's house. This is the house, a model of the house that she lives in, and this one has some examples of hipped roofs on it. A lot of complex roof shapes on this house. Really beautiful house. And I love the bay window right there and the arched front entranceway. Like, that is fantastic. All right, and I think this is going to be the last one I'm going to show you today. You might recognize this if you are a student of architecture. You probably recognize the Guggenheim Museum. So that's a real place, and Eli made this one. And what a great way to learn about famous architecture, by recreating it on your own. There you go, he did it. Very cool, very cool. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel, because we're going to have some more videos of architecture and 3D printing, and other 3D printing stuff too, like 3D printing rockets. So check out those other videos, and thanks for watching.